The law of attraction, the ultimate guide to manifesting your desires. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is one of the most powerful universal laws governing the flow of energy and the manifestation of reality. Simply put, everything that comes into your life, whether positive or negative, you have attracted through your dominant thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Like a magnet, your mind emits a vibrational frequency based on what you focus on. The universe responds by aligning circumstances, opportunities, and experiences that match that frequency. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are energetic signals that shape your reality. How does the law of attraction work? Thoughts are magnetic. Every thought carries a specific frequency. Just as a radio station transmits signals, your mind broadcasts vibrations that attract matching experiences. If you constantly think about lack, stress, or fear, you magnetize more of those conditions. Conversely, focusing on abundance, joy, and success draws those experiences toward you. Emotions are your guidance system. Your feelings are instant feedback on whether you're aligned with your desires. Positive emotions, joy, gratitude, love, mean you're in harmony with what you want. Negative emotions, fear, doubt, frustration, indicate resistance. By shifting your emotional state, you shift what you attract. Like attracts, like the universe operates on resonance. If you emit happiness, you attract happy events. If you dwell on problems, you attract more problems. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. The 3-step process to manifest anything. Step 1. Ask. Clarity is power. The universe responds to clear, specific intentions. Write down or visualize exactly what you desire. Avoid vague wishes like, I want more money instead. State, I am now receiving 10,000 in unexpected income. The act of asking programs your subconscious mind to recognize opportunities. Step 2. Believe. Faith moves mountains. You must feel as if your desire is already yours. Eliminate doubt by acting, speaking, and thinking from a place of already having it. Affirmations like, I am so grateful now that, reinforce belief. Step 3. Receive. Alignment is key. Stay open to opportunities, synchronicities, and inspired action. Practice gratitude daily. This raises your vibration and accelerates manifestation. Let go of how it will happen. Trust the universe's timing. Advanced techniques to amplify manifestation. Visualization. Spend 5-10 minutes daily imagining your desire as already fulfilled. Engage all senses. Feel the emotions. Hear the sounds. See the details. Scripting. Write in present tense as if your dream is real. I love my new job, it's fulfilling and pays me abundantly. Vision boards. Create a collage of images representing your goals. This keeps your focus locked on what you want. The 55x5 method. Write your desire 55 times for 5 days to embed it into your subconscious. Applying the law of attraction to key areas. Wealth, abundance. Focus on prosperity, not lack. Say, money flows to me easily, instead of I'm broke. Give generously. This signals you trust in infinite supply. Relationships. Love yourself first. The way you treat yourself sets the standard for how others treat you. Focus on the best traits in your partner or future partner, not their flaws. Health. Your cells respond to your thoughts. Affirm, every day I am healthier and stronger. Avoid obsessing over illness. Energy flows where attention goes. Changing the world. Complaining about problems only fuels them. Instead, visualize peace, harmony, and solutions. Be the change you wish to see. Your energy impacts the collective. The biggest misconception. Many people think the law of attraction is just about thinking positively, but it's about feeling and believing. If you affirm I am rich while feeling poor, you'll attract more lack. Your emotions reveal your true beliefs. Final truth. You are the creator. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the architect of your reality. Every moment, you're shaping your future with your thoughts. The question is, are you creating by default or by design? Now that you understand the secret, the power is in your hands. What will you choose to manifest today?